What's makeup? What are heels? What's hair on fleek? These are the questions that only low-maintenance girls will understand. We mean, some of us may call them tomboys, others may just call them lazy, but we just like to call it being low maintenance. In this video, we here at Bestie are going to teach you how to be a low-maintenance woman. But first, the best thing you can do on your path to becoming a better you is to click that subscribe button and that notification bell as well. Because who's the best person to get personality tips from? Your bestie, duh! Let's start by saying that it definitely isn't a bad thing to be a high-maintenance person. It's just not always ideal. However, it's definitely not a bad thing to be low-maintenance. You do whatever makes you happy. But for those women who consider themselves low-maintenance, they can't be bothered with things like over-excessive makeup and making sure your hair looks perfect at all times. Here are some examples of things that only low-maintenance women will understand, which in turn will help you become more low-maintenance. Number 1. Makeup. A low-maintenance woman thinks by putting on some mascara on your upper eyelashes that you're wearing way too much makeup. When she walks into her friend's washroom, she'll see 4 makeup bags of products she's never even heard of. Like, what's the difference between concealer, foundation, and blush? And how the heck do you put on lip liner? If you're looking to become low maintenance, learn to love your natural look. Who cares what other people think about your exterior? As long as you're awesome on the inside, you'll always be attractive. Number 2. Wardrobe. The wardrobe of a low-maintenance woman is awfully simple. Jeans, skirts, dresses happen only if she has to wear them for an outing or an event. Sweatpants were her go-to in high school, but now that she's an adult, she has moved on to yoga pants. They are her everything. She wears them with a casual sweater, a nice jean button-down, or just a plain t-shirt. Yoga pants are life for low-maintenance women. Number 3. Washing your hair. We don't mean to be gross here, people, but low-maintenance women don't have to wash their hair all the time. In fact, people notice when a low-maintenance lady has washed her hair. And by that we mean low-maintenance women know that it takes a whole lot of effort to wash your hair on a regular basis. On top of that, it's healthier for your hair to leave it unwashed for a couple of days. But when you do wash it, friends and family act like you just got it professionally done. Number 4. Hairstyles. Staying with the hair point, a low-maintenance woman doesn't know any other hairstyles other than a ponytail and an occasional bun. Wearing it down sometimes is an option, but she typically prefers to stay with her simple, go-to hairstyle, which is often a ponytail. Your takeaway from this point should be, if you can rock a low-effort hairstyle, then do it. Number 5. Business attire. As a low-maintenance girl, you tend to find yourself in more comfortable clothing. So, say you have a job interview. This is literally the job you've always wanted. You go in for the interview and everything is perfect, but then they hit you with the deal breaker. Being a low-maintenance woman, the fact that the job requires business attire is a huge deal breaker. It's too much. Number 6. Jewelry. Low-maintenance women, like yourself, tend to have a couple pieces of bling that they like to wear, and it's the ones that they'll most frequently be seen wearing. And honestly, there are some guys who would just love a low-maintenance woman because of this fact. You can't be bothered wearing different jewelry pieces. This means you have your go-to earrings that you wear on the regular and your necklaces that you wear all the time, but that's about it. Number 7. Going to the mall. As a newfound low-maintenance woman, going to the mall is the biggest struggle for you. Your friends love going. In fact, they make it a hangout spot. Shopping means gal time for them. For you, mall time only happens when you actually need to get something for someone or for an event. And you're usually in and out. Quick and easy. None of this 3-hour shopping time. Number 8. Salons. Like the mall, the low-maintenance woman that you are hates staying too long at the salon. Spending 4 hours at a hair salon is beyond you. You especially don't understand how women do it every 4 weeks. There's so much more you can do with your time and money. For you, washing your hair every few days is more than enough to keep it fresh and healthy. We're sure most low-maintenance women would understand that. Number 9. Jeans. If you're not wearing wavy, baggy jeans and you're forced to stick yourself into these constricting sausage casings, the low-maintenance woman in you is going to scream. Skinny jeans are terribly uncomfy, and you feel less free to be able to move and do the things you want to do. Occasionally, you will have one pair of your favorite skinny jeans, and you usually pair it with more than one top, so people think you have more than one pair. Number 10. Coffee. It's a well-known joke that ladies in Starbucks like to order a very fancy drink that no one understands where on earth they got it from. Being a low-maintenance woman, you often feel like you're the only one in there who doesn't order an overly fancy drink. We mean, you are all about that black coffee, or at worst, a double-double. Number 11. Getting ready. People are pretty shocked that it only takes you 20 minutes max to get ready to hit the town on a girls' night out. But then when they see you, they are even more shocked. You typically go for an all-natural look, so it doesn't take you much time to get ready and look this good. Low-maintenance ladies can attest to that. Number 12. Pajamas. You never understood the concept of sleeping in cute pajamas. We mean, wouldn't you rather be comfy and wear extra-large pajama pants and a shirt? What's the point in wearing tight tops and tight pants and not feeling comfy? Low-maintenance ladies are all about the baggy shirt and comfy boy shorts. Number 13. Wearing shirts you slept in. Speaking of pajamas, if you are a low-maintenance woman, then you might have, at least once, worn the same shirt you slept in out the next day. Nothing wrong with that. Why not have a shirt that you can use for multiple purposes, right? It's comfy and you just don't want to get out of it. Also, if you're late for work, changing clothes can be very time-consuming, even if you wake up early, but just don't want to get out of bed. Alright, if you skip putting on new clothes, you can sleep for 5 more minutes. Low-maintenance women always take the second option. Number 14. Shaving. Shaving your legs can be an entire process that requires way too much effort. So if you're wearing cropped yoga pants or jeans with holes in the knees, you fully know the trick. The trick is to just shave the areas that are showing. No one would suspect a thing, and you save a ton of time and energy. Works like a charm. Number 15. Changing bras. Changing up the bra could change your mood, especially if you don't like change. Being the low-maintenance woman that you are, you probably went through an entire week wearing the same bra. We mean, what's the point of changing it? It doesn't smell, and they're so darn comfortable. Number 16. The same outfit. This plays into our not getting changed every day part of the list. If people didn't see you wear the same outfit, then you actually didn't wear it. If you know you won't be seeing the same people you did the day before with the outfit you wore, you have no problem wearing it again. We mean, if it's such a nice outfit, what's the point in changing it up? Especially if no one saw it, and no photos were taken. Number 17. Don't buy name brands. One of the best things you can do to be a low-maintenance woman is to avoid name brands like the plague. If they work for you and you have the money, sure, but true low-maintenance women know that something from the dollar store works just as well as the $100 makeup that you find at Sephora. And that concludes our list. We hope we managed to change you into a low-maintenance woman if that was your intention. Women out there who are already low-maintenance, what did we miss on the list? Regale us with all your low-maintenance tips in the comments section below. Enjoyed this video? Hit the like button and share with your friends. Also, subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.